terror since the public school era. Backroom passes, cutting glasses, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks up in axe and sidekicks with my sidekicks, rocking fly kicks. Honeys wanna chat, but all we wanna know is where the party at. And can I bring my gat? If not, I hope I don't get shot. Better throw my vest on my chest, cause niggas is a mess. It don't take nothing but frontin' for me to start.
Sean, dude, there was this lady on the fucking bus brushing her teeth. She was like coked out or something. I was so scared. She like looked like a freak.
She was brushing her teeth?
Yeah, she had like one of those hybrid like toothbrush like pick things, and she was like picking out her teeth and like brushing them on the. She was like probably like one of those like schizophrenic like crazy people that show like in Amherst, you know?
Fucking people, man.
Yeah. What's good? How's Berkshire without me? Awesome. Cool. Fark, do you want to just go late night?
Did you check out all the food we bought?
There's probably none.
Huh? No, we bought shit. I swear to God, we went to the market.
Really?
Clocking money.
Oh, word.